Hey there, here we have an example where we are being asked to factor, and this is the kind of example that people accidentally look at as if it were a difference of two squares, because I think they see the square, they see the minus sign, they see a binomial, and the noggin is just like, yep, it's gotta be a difference of two squares, classic, but it's not. So always check for what I like to call factoring method number 1 first, which is greatest common factor. Additionally, 7, 28, and a, or x, or whatever, might not be a perfect square, so you want to make sure. So what do these two terms, the 7a squared and the 28a, what do they have in common, if anything? Well, good thing we're looking, because they do in fact have something in common. You might do a little work on the side, like 7's prime, but a squared is a times a. 28 though is 7 times 4, which is 2 times 2 times 7 times a. And I could put the dots there too if I want. So, well, what do they have in common? They both have a 7 and they both have an a. So the greatest common factor is in fact 7a. If I want to undistribute 7a, I may choose to divide it out. Now, also keep in mind, I'm the one that drew that division bar with the 7a myself for this particular problem. If that division bar was already there, but I was factoring the top, it's sort of like a fraction within a fraction. So make sure you look at it as like a side step and then put it back over the 7a if it was there to begin with. That would be a rational expression, or more of like a simplify or division type problem. So store that in your memory bank, okay? Now, if I'm going to randomly divide this expression by 7a, that's not really allowed. I need to keep it balanced. So I'm going to multiply by 7a as well. Sorry, my 7s are looking really skinny over here. So the one on the outside can stay, and the one on the inside we're going to use pretzel style to simplify. Really, I should have made that a little bit bigger. So 7a out here, there it is, stays. 7 and 7 reduce, a over a, I'm left with just a. Minus 28 over 7, 7's are gone from there, I'm left with 4. A over a, gone, no a's are left, and that's it. And there you have it, it's fully factored. You always double check the inside and see if you could take it further, but as we like to say, if the power is 1 when it comes to factoring, you're probably done. If you only take out the 7 or you only take out the a and you inspect the inside of the parenthesis again, you might realize, oh wait, I have more there that I can take out. All right, so you always want to make sure you took out the greatest common factor as much as possible, not just a common factor, and then you're done. Click through for the next where you actually do see a difference of two squares. Hope you feel smart. If you do, thumbs up. If not, and you're mad about it, thumbs down. Get it out of your system, and you'll see me in the next video. Adios.